Did you know that 93% of engine failures are caused by just 15 common driving habits? These small, seemingly harmless mistakes can lead to costly engine damage. Let's explore how to avoid becoming part of that statistic. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway when the dreaded red warning light flashes on your dashboard. Your heart sinks. You've been putting off that oil change for months, thinking it's a trick to make you spend money. But that light, it's more than just an annoyance. It could signal serious engine issues. Oil changes matter more than you think. When oil isn't changed regularly, it becomes thick and sludge-like. This builds up on crucial engine parts, causing gradual damage. Modern engines are more sensitive to oil quality than older models. They run hotter, faster, and have tighter spaces between components. So clean oil is essential for smooth operation. Here's a real-life example. A customer brought in his 3-year-old car last week. The engine was beyond repair, and inside, it looked like someone poured molasses everywhere. He had only changed the oil once since he bought the car. The repair cost? $8,000 for a new engine. Sadly, this isn't uncommon. I've seen engines destroyed due to neglect, damaged bearings, scratched cylinder walls, just because someone thought skipping oil changes would save money. What does skipping a $50 oil change really cost you? Engine repairs due to neglected oil can range from $3,000 to $10,000 if you need a new engine. It could even reach $15,000 or more. A major insurance company found that regular oil changes can extend your engine's life by up to 50%. That's right, your car could last twice as long if you stick to the maintenance schedule. Oil does more than lubricate. It cools, cleans, and protects your engine. It absorbs heat, picks up metal particles, and prevents rust. Over time, though, oil wears out and loses its ability to perform these tasks. Next time you're tempted to delay an oil change, think about the long-term cost. Skipping a $50 service could end up costing you thousands and reducing your car's lifespan. But oil isn't the only fluid that can damage your engine. Here's another costly mistake: running your car on empty. Think you're saving money by driving with low fuel. Think again. Running low on gas isn't just a convenience issue. It's slowly damaging your engine. We've all been there, rushing with the fuel light on, thinking you can make it to your destination before refueling. But this habit is more expensive than you might think. When your fuel is low, the fuel pump picks up dirt, rust, and debris from the bottom of the tank and pumps it through the fuel system. Modern fuel pumps rely on gas for cooling and lubrication. Without enough fuel, the pump overheats, breaks down, and leads to expensive repairs. Running low on fuel regularly could cost you a new fuel pump, $100 to $300, and labor fees, totaling over $1,000. If left unchecked, it can damage the entire fuel system, leading to thousands of dollars in repairs. Water also builds up in your tank over time, and when you're running low, the remaining water can be sucked up with the last bits of gas. Water and engines don't mix. It can cause misfires, rough running, or even engine damage. Every time you drive with low fuel, you're risking your engine. To avoid this, keep your tank at least a quarter full. It'll protect your fuel pump and save you from expensive repairs down the road. Let's talk about another warning sign many drivers ignore: the little orange light on your dashboard, the check engine light. Most drivers think it's just a suggestion, but ignoring it can lead to costly repairs. That small light could be the difference between a $100 fix and a $5,000 repair bill. The check engine light can appear for many reasons: loose gas caps, failing oxygen sensors, or issues with the catalytic converter. These may seem like minor issues, but they can quickly become major problems. For example, a customer recently ignored the check engine light for months. The result? A cracked exhaust manifold that caused wiring damage, costing him over $3,000. In another case, a customer ignored the check engine light for nearly a year. When she finally brought the car in, we discovered her transmission was failing due to low fluid, and the repair cost was far more than she could afford. Fixing an issue right when the check engine light comes on usually costs between $150 to $400. But if you wait, repairs can exceed $1,500. That's a huge difference due to a small delay. Now let's talk about starting your car in cold weather. Many people think they can hop in and drive off immediately, but this puts unnecessary stress on the engine. The metal, rubber, and plastic parts of your engine contract in the cold, and they expand unevenly as the engine warms up. This causes friction and wear over time. Moreover, when it's cold, oil thickens and doesn't circulate well, which means your engine parts don't get the proper lubrication they need. This unnecessary stress can shorten the engine's life. Giving your car 30 seconds to a minute to warm up is a small sacrifice that can extend the lifespan of your engine. Driving habits matter too. Rapid acceleration and high RPMs put a strain on the engine, leading to wear and tear. Similarly, lugging the engine by being in too high a gear for your speed can cause overheating and engine damage, especially for newer cars with direct injection. Aggressive driving puts unnecessary stress on both the engine and the drivetrain, leading to expensive repairs. To avoid this, try to drive smoothly and keep your engine within the optimal RPM range. Another bad habit is keeping your foot on the clutch or brake pedal in traffic. This unnecessarily wears down parts like the throwout bearing, clutch, and brake pads. Constant pressure on the clutch can lead to a $500 to $2,000 clutch replacement, and worn brake pads can cost $300 to $800 per axle. But some of the most costly mistakes happen even before you turn the key. Skipping regular maintenance, such as fluid changes for transmission, brakes, and coolant, can result in catastrophic engine failure. A customer skipped coolant flushes, resulting in a $2,000 head gasket repair. Neglecting regular services can lead to repair bills as high as $10,000 or more. Take timing belts, for instance. Replacing one costs about $500, but neglecting it could lead to $5,000 worth of engine damage. Using the wrong fuel can also harm your car. Many drivers mistakenly believe that premium fuel is always better. However, if your car is designed for regular gas, using premium won't improve performance and may even damage your engine over time. Premium gas costs more, and using the wrong type can lead to costly repairs. The takeaway? Use the fuel your car's manual recommends. This simple step saves you money and protects your engine. By changing a few habits, you can avoid costly repairs and extend the life of your car. Keep an eye on your driving habits and maintenance schedule to keep your engine running smoothly for years.